MusicOnline UK.
Holiday in Paris by William Gillock is a charming little piece that will need a lot of attention to dynamics, to changes in tempo, and have a delicate tonal control. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you some of the things that the examiner will be looking out for so that you can get the best possible mark. Now, one of the first things you need to be aware of is that the tune at the beginning is obviously in the right hand, and the left hand doesn't obliterate this tune. Notice how gentle the left hand plays. Lean into the right hand tune. Also notice in that first phrase the rise and fall of the music, with the crescendo up to the third bar and then down again in the fourth. And the same happens in the next phrase. So follow all the rises and falls in the dynamics. Now, another thing you need to be aware of is that you should be pedalling once per bar for this opening section, but then later in bar 16 it says no pedal. It's a different texture. And also I want you to pay particular attention to the articulation marks on the right hand. Now, a lot of them have little staccato dots on them, and others have staccato dots with a line underneath it. So they should be different. For example, in bar 17, you have two staccato chords, nice and crisp, and then the next one, slightly longer. The next phrase is the same. And the next phrase. So when you put it with the left hand, and then, in bar 22, you see a little comma in the air. And there you should actually have a little break in the music, a breath if you like, before you carry on. The next bar there is a polka rit leading up to a pause. And then it doesn't go straight back to a tempo. That is 2 bars later. The rit keeps on going. You only go back to a tempo when the main tune returns. Now, regarding changes in tempo, there is a lot of things you need to watch out for towards the end of the piece. For example, in bar 44 there is a rit, and then you go straight back into tempo in 45. Let's go from 40. Slowing down here and then quicker at the end. Okay, rather quickly to the end it says. So you need to take all these changes in tempo into consideration. Now, when we get to the last line, I want you to notice the pedalling very carefully. At the beginning, as we already said, it says pedal once per bar, and you change the pedal on the first note of each bar. Here, the pedalling mark stops just before the next bar, so you have a slight break between the chords. Making sure that the pedal stays on completely for the last 4 bars. And that is Holiday in Paris by William Gillock. Thanks for watching.